Hello everyone, today I will introduce you to the ultrasonic vibrating screen. The ultrasonic vibrating screen is a fine materials screening equipment, which consists of a vibrating screen, an ultrasonic generator, a transducer, an ultrasonic grid and so on. It is an ultrasonic system superimposed on the traditional vibrating screen, and has the advantages of high screening accuracy, high efficiency, and no mesh blocking. When working, the ultrasonic system will superimpose a high-frequency, low-amplitude ultrasonic vibration on the vibrating screen, so that the screen enters a high-frequency vibration state, which solves the problem of mesh blockage caused by materials during the screening process, allowing materials to pass through the net quickly, improving the screening efficiency. On top of that, it also increases the service life of the screen, and reduces the time and cost of replacing the screen. Ultrasonic vibrating screens are used for screening of various fine materials such as food, medicine, metallurgy, and chemicals. After years of accumulation in the fine screening industry, Shanghai Ruang has been committed to the research and development of ultrasonic fine materials screening, solving the screening problems of strong adsorption, easy agglomeration, static electricity, and light-specific gravity of materials, making the screening process simpler and more reliable. The above is a brief introduction to the ultrasonic vibrating screen. Shanghai Ruang specializes in the fine materials screening industry. If you are interested in our equipment, you're welcome to call us for consultation.